Father Nature would like to welcome the PGA Tour and all spectators to the beautiful Lowcountry and Hilton Head Island, proud home of the 2025 RBC Heritage. As you enjoy world-class golf and southern hospitality, we're hard at work helping make the Lowcountry shine. Dreaming of a lawn as lush as the 18th fairway at Harbour Town golf links? Let Father Nature bring that vision to life with expert landscaping and hardscaping tailored to the beauty of the Lowcountry. Call us today at 8435-404624 or visit our website at fathernatureiNC.com. Transforming the Lowcountry 1 yard at a time so you can enjoy life outdoors.